Hey guys, this is Queen Nest and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, like and subscribe and welcome. Today we are going to be working on a toilet paper storage bin. Now this is very easy to make. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's get started by looking at the items we're going to be using. We are going to be using this box in which something was delivered to the house. These pieces of material that I had left over from something else. A roll of yarn. These chenille straws, the silver and the gold. A pair of scissors. Glue gun and glue sticks. We're going to have to glue this here and then cut off this long side. I'm going to put the material over it, make sure we have enough. And when it goes inside the box it won't be loose. And I'll cut this piece of material for the sides. Cut one piece for one side. And then I'm going to have to cut a second piece to fit on the other side. Now I'm going to fold it here so I can pin it in place to make make the shape for the inside of the box. I'm going to pin it across here and then down the sides, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now everything is all pinned up. I did it a little loosely because I want to make sure that it sits properly in the box and is not tight in any areas like in the corners or along the side. Okay. So this is what it's going to look like inside the box, and it should fit just fine. Now we're going to cut off this portion of the box and then we'll glue the sides. It should fit just fine inside of the box. And now I am going to go stitch it up on the machine, so it's going to be done really fast. Alright, let's make sure that it fits properly inside the box. Now it's all stitched up. I didn't care about the color thread because it was not going to show anyway. Now we're going to glue the material to the box. Okay, we're going to glue the yarn to the outside, and we're just going to start at the top and just keep going till we reach all the way to the bottom of the box. Alright, now we're going to finish the bottom of the box right here, and I'm just going to tuck the end and glue it in place, that way it doesn't get undone. Next step, chenille stems to the sides. Now it is all finished. You can use this on top of the tank of your toilet, on your space saver, wherever is convenient for you. That's it for today. If you stayed this far, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I post again. Take care. Bye.